Welcome to Self-efficacy. I believe I can, therefore I am. I based on my podcast on this article, Self-efficacy and Why Believing in Yourself Matters, written by Kenra Cherry, who holds Masters of Science. This is her credential. This article really speak to me because I know how self-efficacy really changed my life, how I approach things. So what is self-efficacy? It is a belief in oneself, the ability to succeed. According to Bandura, these comprise beliefs as determinants of how people think, behave, and feel. So why do I care so much? Because self-efficacy helps you recover quickly from setbacks and disappointments and view challenging problems as tasks to be mastered and develop deep interest in the activities. All these are quite useful in hairstyling school. And my favorite line from this article is, mastery experiences play a critical role in the establishment of self-efficacy. Bandura actually identified this as the single most effective way to create a strong sense of self-belief. And my takeaway from is that mastery experiences, because until I went to hair school, I didn't actually believe in myself, but because of the successes that I experienced at the hair school really changed my view on how I approach things and how I see things from then on. So based on that, I made exercise shoes. So these are based on mastery experience, which is direct learning, vicarious experience, which is indirect learning, like witnessing others, and verbal persuasion is motivational speak, or these words that I use. So proof of progress is every 6 weeks, I ask students to send me photo of their, haircuts or whatever. And it takes a bit of organization on my part, but every 6 weeks I can show them the proof of their progress that is tangible, that they can see with my detailed feedback. And the second one is accomplishment announcements. These detailed feedback are only going to have positive ones, because negative ones they already know. So they will be announcing these accomplishments in front of the class, and they will be getting applause after. So the other students, rest of the students, will want this experience and associate our learning with this positive experience. And I have few words that I say while they do salon services. So I walk around and I whisper, nice. Or I say things like, when they feel scared to do a service, I say, I trust you. I trust you and I believe in you. And that seems to really work. And I also add, whenever I have these words, I would also add, like, to be funny, I add slow clapping. I give thumbs up, and I shoot little hearts when they do good services, and they all seem to work really, really well. And this concludes my podcast, and I hope you enjoyed. And here are the rest of the references. Thank you so much.